Hey guys, it's Kevin from Cruising with Wheels, and today's video is just a little bit different. So like I said, today's video is going to be a little bit different. We're taking you with us. We're going shopping today to look for some items for our YouTube studio. That's right, we've been building a studio down in our finished basement so that we can bring you high quality videos all about cruising and cooking videos, tip videos. Everybody loves Frank Pushes Back and Tales from the High Seas. And the third most popular question we get is what we used to vlog with. Today we're using our iPhone 7. That's right, I'm not using our regular camera. So let's get Frank in the car and go for a ride.
So exciting! I'm going on a field trip today.
Field trip day.
Yeah, Kevin has already been out, done reconnaissance, and has already been at that new store at home. And now he's taking me, and we're gonna go have a nice big old looky-loo at all the great stuff that they have to offer. So, we'll let you know when we get there.
The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that. I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
Oh my God, I gotta hide this flamingo lunch bag before Kevin sees it, or we're never gonna get out of the store without it. Ooh, $12.99. Hide it. Gotta get out of this aisle fast. If he sees all these flamingos,
cooking and baking aisle.
Oh boy.
I think he's looking for new stuff for Frank's cooking
Oh,
corner.
this is what I need. The one with the rack on it. Like if you're gonna like cookies or fries or chicken, and so it drips down.
Well, the word on the street is that you hid some flamingo lunch bag.
What? I don't know what you're talking
And
about.
so if we can't get the lunch bag, I'm not getting you that pan.
I'm sure I don't know what you're speaking on. Just don't believe rumors.
Oh, I'm exhausted.
I'm exhausted, but I got a bag of goodies, kitchen gadgets.
You make a lot of noise with your bag.
Yeah, boy, baby.
So we didn't necessarily, well, we did buy something.
Yeah.
We bought something for the new studio, but we're not going to show you that. What do we get? We got lots of stuff so Frank can use it in Frank's cooking corner.
Kitchen.
So that was exciting. I couldn't even get him out of the freaking kitchen aisle. And I couldn't find any flamingo stuff.
Well, maybe next season.
I think there was some games being played. So now we're going to go, oh, I got Fanta. It was 50% off. Fanta, because I'm dying of thirst. And in bonus, Frank found a color, a hair color tube that was somehow under my seat. I don't know why.
Now we're going home.
Now we're going home, and you should check out our Instagram because I found some cool pillows.
Oh boy, yeah, they were.
So check out Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter, and here on YouTube. Make sure you subscribe because we post a new video every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. No,
we don't.
no, we don't. We post, see how tired I am? We post a new video every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday.
Very good.
But what do we do on Sundays? Oh, every first Sunday of every month we live stream.
Yeah, first calendar Sunday. Other than that, it's a day of rest.
It sounds like to me that we need a vacation. And when we're vacationing, we're always on a cruise, and we want you all to
Travel safe.
and cruise often. Okay, guys, so you saw our vlog. We've already closed it out, and that was our shopping vlog. And when we were done, I drove home, and I dropped Frank off because he was very tired, and I still had errands to do. So I jumped in the car, and I ran to a local big box store. Don't want to say the name of the store in particular right now. But I was looking for a new tripod. And while I was talking to the guy, I was getting ready to leave. I was way in the back of the store. All of a sudden we heard boom, 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 boom. And they kind of all grabbed everybody that was in the store and kind of made an announcement, shelter in place. And I was stuck in the bathroom with everybody else for an hour or so. And we really didn't know what was going on because our cell phones weren't working. And you would think that we're vloggers, that I would grab my cell phone and start videoing. But when you're in that situation, you just get to where you need to be and stay there and listen to the instructions of the people in charge. And, you know, our cell phones didn't work. They had a system that blocked all the cell phones. So that way, if there really was an active shooter, they wouldn't be able to communicate with each other. It was really, really scary. I'm okay. I'm home. I'm still shaking. But I want this to be a teachable moment. And I know I'm in the Tales from the High Seas chair. And normally you see Frank sitting here, and I know this was a happy-go-lucky vlog about us shopping, but I really want to take a minute and say that if you are on a cruise or anywhere where anything happens, like a fire or an active shooter or a lifeboat drill or whatnot, or maybe they tell you to go to your lifeboat station. I want you all to put your cameras down and, listen to the people that are in charge and get your butt to where you need to be, because it's really, really scary. But again, I'm okay. Frank's okay. He was at home. And I want everybody today to hug their loved one. It brings perspective to everything when something like this happens. And I guess this is how we get our tagline, right? So I want everybody to travel safe and cruise often